Juju's back with this collage weekly challenge, and this is our week 4, and we are to have something related to a religious or secular holiday, a ledger paper, a game or puzzle piece, something you find in a garage, a pair of something, and a bonus is a zigzag pattern. Okay, so here's what we did. Okay, I did my ledger page, glued it down, then took their scrap part, added a flip to it. On this side, I put a little collage with the license plate. You know, we found that in the garage too. Decorated that and wrote "Create" right there on the label. You open it up, and then we have Michael D'Angelo's here, the baby Jesus. And then we have the castle and stuff up there. And then we have the zigzag pattern here. And in the garage, I did 2 things. One is you always have an advertisement sign. You know, they have them hanging everywhere for oil, for all kind of stuff. And on the back 40, around in the country, you're not going to find a garage that does not have a pair of cats. May not belong to the garage, may belong to themselves, but they live in the garage. And if you have a garage, you probably got a pair of cats out there, you just don't know it. So there's my pair of something. And then I went on and finished decorating around with some stamps. Since I had my stamps out, I went on playing. Now, originally, on the background here, and this is pretty cool because it worked now. I don't know if y'all can see it because I did gesso over it, but it did work. Right here, I took chapstick. Just plain old chapstick. And I did a zigzag pattern. And then I micoed and painted, spraying stuff over it, dried it, and then wiped it off with a baby wipe, and it came completely off. But I used a stencil that wasn't zigzag, that I tried to make a zigzag, and it didn't zigama or mazagama. So I didn't like it. So I gesso over top of that and let that dry. It knocked down all that blue that I didn't like either. It was a little too bright for me. So it knocked that down too. And then I did my puff paint. I like my Go Puffy paint. And then I just drew a zigzag pattern for my zigzag pattern. So there you go. But this trick with the chapstick works wonders. That is our week 4. All right. See y'all on the next go round. Loves.